cup before the breakup. All you are is but a hefty pair of fucking G-cups. You should've never thought that you're original and liminal. It's criminal, your stupidity superluminal. You were just a fat bitch in my game of life. That glitch trying to hitch a ride. Stop thinking you're something, cause that's gonna hurt your brain. Stop wasting others' oxygen, just burning. Don't remain for your mental issues. There isn't a solution. Take a bit of egoism sprinkled out with delusions. You've nothing to offer, yet you demand a position. God complex and toxicity in superposition. Go get your pills and synergy, but let me spare the energy. Say it that, let's get over it. Say bye, and just motherfucking die. Thought you were brilliant at using people, getting under the skin like an artist's needle. Needless to say, and I don't expect you to understand, but dozen of dime bitches don't enjoy high demand. Lemons I gave you, but this is not for lemonade. Everyone will leave you cause you're a live grenade. No, a menace, an artificial disaster, but bitch that aims to be a deranged puppet master. Why not go faster? We both know what you after. You sew your web long enough, you malice crafter. Make legit disgust me to see how broken you've become. You wanted it for yourself, so time to go be gone. Go get your pills and synergy, but let me spare the energy. Say it that, let's get over it. Say bye, and just motherfucking die. Motherfucking die. You showed me your true colors, at least in the very end. Not just a variant, you lost all that you could defend. I wanna see the monster behind those glass eyes. I wanna face what caused my soul to capsize. Your words are more corrosive than the soil on Mars. Your life is ruined once again, go blame it on the stars. You're a perfect failure, a demise in disguise. But this guy's keen eyes finally see through the lies. I almost fell victim, you took some time to crack. I needed a sec to get my view off the rack. You're not right, your words just an immature amateur. Leaving behind so much while I need a janitor. Get your pills and synergy, but let me spare the energy. Tell you that, let's get over it, say bye, and just motherfucking die.